What's going on, everybody? Captain Granite back here again with another motovlog. And back to some familiar territory here in good old Gilliford. There's the Gilliford Walmart. I've actually worked in two places up there. I worked in the GameStop for about 7.5, 8 years. And then I worked at GNC for, I believe, 2 years? 3 years? Boy, some dark clouds coming my way. I might end up getting a little moist. That guy's moist. I see it in his eyes. Where are you going? Wendy's? I'll take a number 2, please. I hate that Wendy's. I don't know how many times I've been there and I've ordered a Baconator and then they don't put bacon on it. Oh, we were slowing down because of a duck. Speaking of ducks, I have a little bit of a topic. It's kind of like one of those unwritten rules, but I feel like it's pretty well versed in the motorcycle community. At least you would think it would be. So, have you ever had someone touch your bike? And you caught them touching your bike. I think it's an unwritten rule that nobody should touch another person's bike unless you say, hey, why don't you sit on my bike? Or, you know, throw a leg over. You know, those kind of things. Take it for a spin. Have you ever had someone just go up to your bike, touch it, sit on it, or any of the above? How did that make you feel? I guess it really doesn't have anything to do with ducks. I led you on. I'm sorry and I apologize. If you were hoping that there were ducks, there's no ducks to this story. So, back when I worked up at GNC, I had I had my Sportster at the time. I then later got rid of it and I had the Victory 8-ball for maybe 1.5 years, if that. I didn't have that bike very long because I was turning that 8-ball into a cross country and I said, you know what? The cross country comes with a radio. Legit, that's what I said. Cross country comes with a radio. So I did it. I put bags on the 8-ball. I put a fairing on the 8-ball. I'm just like, you know what? Screw it. I'm just going to upgrade. The radio was the deciding factor. Anyway, so I had the 8-ball at this time. And I'm in GNC working, and the GNC is so slow. There was days where I'd have like no customers throughout the day. That's how slow it was. Now I heard it's picked up, so you know, good for them. And so one day I was working, you know, no customers, and I'm standing by the window. I like to people watch. People watching in a Walmart plaza is phenomenal. I mean, you get all walks of life going into that store, and that vehicle just went off the road there and just stopped. Oh, she's like looking down like something happened. That was weird. All I saw was the dirt cloud fly up. It kind of looked like she was reaching down for her phone. Huh. Anyway, people watching in a Walmart parking lot is just, it's the most, it's hours upon hours of entertainment, and I got paid to do it. I literally had one customer come in, you know, I helped him out, and he left, and I'm like, okay, you know, back to my people watching. I go up to the window, I'm watching. I have my bike parked right up front. Like, I can see it from the cash register. And I would always pick that spot when I was working, just because I like to tease myself. I was standing there, I'm just like, oh, the guy, and I'm guessing his kid was maybe 7 or 8 years old. It was a young kid. And he was like just eyeballing the bike. I'm like, cool, you know, guy digs the bike. He's getting closer to the bike. I'm like, okay, you know, he's really, you know, interested in, you know, a Victory because, you know, not many people see them around here. He puts his hand out and grabs onto the left handlebar. And I'm sitting there going, no thank you. That you don't touch another person's bike. And it looked like he let go. It looked like he was done. His kid like asked him something, he looked down, and then he kind of did one like these, like looked around. And I went, oh shit. He grabs the handlebar again, and I see his leg lifting up, and it was like halfway up and over my bike. I kicked open the door to GNC, and I said to him, I'm like, if you don't want to eat through a tube for the rest of your life, I suggest you get off my bike. And he goes, wow, dude, you don't have to be an asshole. Excuse me? I don't have to be an asshole. That's bullshit. Like, what sort of thought process goes through a person's head that goes, I'm going to touch this stranger's bike and I'm going to sit on it? So he calls me the asshole, and I said, just get off my bike right now. So he like backs away from it, grabs his kid, and they rush to their car and leave. Mind you, the customer that I helped out was standing outside, looks at me and goes, who does that? And I went, that guy did. And he goes, yeah, he goes, I don't even ride, and that's not like kosher at all. That really just like, we were talking about this in Shade Tree Surgeon's Discord, and I had mentioned this story, and I was like, I don't think I've ever told this story to anyone. And I thought it would be a pretty cool story to share with you guys. Like, I don't know if this has ever happened. I'm sure it has happened to other people. But to the point where the person turns around and calls you the asshole? I mean, maybe I could have handled it better. Because, there was a small child around. But at the same time, I just don't think you touch other people's shit. Like, that just, it baffled me. Like, I was like steaming for the rest of my shift. And like, I was glued to that window. Customers come in and be like, hey, how's it going? They walk past me and they go, can you help me find? I can't. I'm on lockdown right here watching this. Okay, maybe I wasn't on lockdown. I did help out customers because, you gotta be pretty good with that customer support. I haven't taken this way in a while. What is that? Is that a doggy? It is a doggy. He's all sleepy. So yeah, let me know down in the comments, has that ever happened to you? I would love to hear some of the stories. It's just weird to think. I hope you guys liked the video. I know it's short, but it's a story that kind of popped up, and I'm like, I don't think I've ever said it to anyone. So I hope you liked the video. Hit that thumbs up if you like it. Hit the subscribe button. I just checked the subscribers, right before I left work. I'm at 771. Hot damn, we're 29 away from 800. What? We're almost at that 200 to go mark. That is just, it's amazing. Like my last video that just came out, well, this one will come out after my motovlog setup. So 2 videos ago, I did my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. If you haven't had a chance, watch that. It has all the details for my giveaway. I need to clarify one point on that, and that was, I said a t-shirt. That is any t-shirt on my Teespring, or any item on my Teespring that you may want. It's your choice. I'm not 100% set on all the prizes. Like t-shirt, yes. The mug, yes. The stickers, yes. And the iPhone case, yes. Those are set. I'm thinking of adding more. Holy boat. Oh, I could have said holy ship. Damn it. That would have been a good one. Holy ship. Damn it. I'm really bummed that I didn't say holy ship. Anyway, so yeah, go back to the 1,000 subscriber giveaway video. Be sure to watch it, enter into it, and let's get to that 1,000 mark, guys. I really want to give some stuff away. And thank you all for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Captain Granite, out of here.